What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video we're doing a kart ride game into that cat right there, or that big cat up there. And I'm not looking forward to this because this game is mental. Oh my god. Go! Oh my god, it's so annoying! Wow! Go forward. Strong. Spam, 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 spam. Do this. Go. Push. Heave. Heave. Go. Go. Oop. Okay. They're bringing it backwards. This is honestly... Go, quickly! Go! Oh, so annoying. Where's that now going? Why are you going backwards? This way, I wouldn't be able to go into that cat up there. Up there. Stop. All I can say is stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, I'm going to put everybody on here. Even though it probably doesn't do anything. But I will do it. Can't do anymore because I'm lazy. Right, just spam it in, sit on it, and just do that like 1,000 times. Okay, power, 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 power. Stop, it's off track. Go, quickly, go, go. For Christ's sake, go. Oh my god. Let's find a different server. Servers. Do that one there. Only has 13 people. If they're like, oh, there we go. This is more like it's an easy. Anyone annoyed? Let's go. Oh no. No. So annoying. So annoying. If anyone does that. God. Go. All of these servers are rubbish. Yes, go, go, go. Oh, I'm not in there anyway. Right, one maybe. Spawn, hop in. Go, 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 yes. God, man. Oh my god. Jump out. Oh my god. How far is it, bro? Oh my god. We can't. I've died. I've died! Guys, like and subscribe. If you like it, there's 1% chance I'll get to the top. Or the cat. Spawn, jump. In. Go, go! Go, yes, yes. Yes. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. If that go there. Ethan! Oh man. No, we can't. So I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.